One of the things I really like about Chicago is that it has forests in the city. Chicago has lots of nature, but it also can be gritty. So here's something kind of gross, but sort of endearing at the same time. You can still see its little face. And then I kept walking down the street, and I found some Queen Anne's lace. And then, of course, there's the L train. And underneath, an abandoned door, but more Queen Anne's lace, and some little daisies, and then some clover, and a bee trying to make honey.